Hey there! So today is Pink Guitar Day. I bought one of these little practice guitars. They're about 50 bucks on eBay. We're going to be using it as an air guitar in a video shoot, so no one will actually be playing it. Although it is a practical guitar, you can use it. It's kind of like one of those practice level ones. So I've removed the neck and all the wires and so forth. Comes with a lot of different hardware, all of which I've removed. The knobs and so forth. Now, what I'm going to do is not flood this guitar. I'm going to be actually doing a very controlled brushing of epoxy on the guitar, so no flooding will be happening. When I flood, I clean everything out. I actually would take the soundboard, I don't know what it's called, I'm not a technical music person, but the board inside there, that would come out. These posts would come out, and so forth. So because this is not going to be really ever played by anybody, I'm not doing, sorry about the heater in the background, I'm not doing a super good job on this. Okay, so here we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave the camera on, and you can watch the project. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be embedding this plastic with a cupcake on it right here. And I'm going to be using 3 different kinds of glitter. Fire Glow Hellfire's Kiss, which is a brand new one for us. I'm going to be mixing it with Fire Glow Flame Kiss Heart. These are both found in the boutique line. And I'm breaking a rule that I normally don't break because I know it'll work. I've done it before. And that is, this is a cosmetic called Pinktastic. And it is a holographic pink, and it's the right color. And I have tested in epoxy before, and it worked well for me. We don't guarantee it, but you can get away with using cosmetic glitters sometimes. Just a matter of testing. As a final accent, I will also be using a Chunky Flake Iridescent, which is a clear glitter, and it's going to sit right on over the top of these. Okay? It's a beautiful glitter, and it is a polyester acrylic mix. Okay, I'm trying a brand new type today. This is Parks brand Super Glaze. Super thick, and we're going to see how it goes. I try and use different brands when they come on the market or when I find them, and this is the one we're going to try today. Okay, you're going to go ahead and mix it by the manufacturer's instructions. Everybody does it a little differently. I don't tend to do it on camera too much because we want you to follow what the manufacturer does and not what we've done here. Everyone's got their tips and techniques for their particular type. And it's important to follow their instructions because they're the ones who made it. Okay, I've saved off enough epoxy for me to do the flood over the cupcake. I'm going to add in a tiny bit of the Magellan Spark, give it a mix, and then I'm dumping it right over the cupcake embed. And of course it will find its way off of the cupcake and onto the rest of the guitar, but it shouldn't make any difference at all. If you see a few Magellan sparks in there, no one's going to complain about that. Because it's so pretty. Alright, it's edge time. The least fun time. This is when it's all about controlling the drips. So you want to get those things out of there. The one thing about guitars is you'll always have more glitter on the top than you do the edge, because when it hits the edge it starts to thin out. You can avoid that by doing 2 coats if you have the patience for that. You can do it by adding more glitter to your mix. It tends to make for a less smooth finish, but you'll get better coverage. And you can also put epoxy down and then blow the glitter onto it instead of mixing it in. So there's different ways you can experiment. Okay, so this is a Cupcake guitar. So we want to have the look of like icing running over the side, but we don't want it to run over so bad that it looks terrible. So we're waiting for the right moment when it's still dripping, but it's not going to like roll onto the back of the guitar. So we're about 10 minutes away from that. I'll then remove the tape. A little bit of dripping will happen, but it should only drip down the sides and not like actually underneath. So I keep testing for it, waiting for it. It's not quite there yet. I'm hoping in another 10 minutes I'll remove the tape and you can see the drips happening. It's tape removal time. It's going to be hard to know whether I get it right or not, but I'm hoping that I will get drippage without extreme drippage at about this point. So here we go. If I wait too long, I won't get enough drippage and it won't look like the icing. So here I go.